As you are developing the concepts for your design, you're going to want to create many prototypes to try out your ideas and determine if they are feasible. A prototype is basically a model that is used to gather information about a certain aspect of a design. This can include how well components fit together and interact with each other, the mechanical behavior of components, such as how much a part deforms or how smoothly a mechanism moves. Do the electronics work as expected? How well do the software and user controls perform? How safe or unsafe is your design? How does your product look and feel to the customer? What is the projected cost of the final product or system? And in general, how feasible are your ideas? There are many different kinds of prototypes. Physical prototypes made from low fidelity materials such as paper, foam core, wood, and glue can provide a lot of information quickly and cheaply. Rapid prototyping technology such as 3D printing has advanced over the past 10 to 20 years to where it is now relatively easy and cost-effective to create more sophisticated physical prototypes. Of course, prototypes are still created using traditional manufacturing methods, such as casting and machining, but these can be quite expensive due to the labor costs involved. Prototyping can also be done using computers. For example, CAD software can be used to check for interferences between components in an assembly. Simulations, like this one, can provide information about the kinematics of a mechanism. And more advanced computational techniques, such as finite element analysis, can provide estimates of mechanical stress and deformation for a part before it has been created. Some prototypes are created to test the functionality of a design, such as this prototype of a cordless drill that actually works, or this circuit that was built on a breadboard. Other prototypes are meant to provide information about how a product looks or feels, like this model of a multimeter, which doesn't actually do anything except to give information about the aesthetics of the final product. Or this tiny model of a car that can't be driven, but can be used to get aerodynamic information about its design. Now, your decision on what kind of prototype to create should be based on what information do you want to get from the prototype, and how much are you willing to pay for that information?